Ever been at dinner with friends and the bill arrives? You reach for your wallet, but everyone else whips out their phones, Venmo blazing. Suddenly, you feel like you're in the financial dark ages. Fear not, fellow social butterfly. Because today, we're breaking down Venmo like a pro. We'll be conquering the question that chills many a Venmo newbie: how to transfer money to another person. Before we dive in, let's address the elephant in the room. Why Venmo? Sure, there are other money transfer apps, but Venmo has become synonymous with splitting bills, repaying friends for concert tickets, and even the occasional rent payment, with a clear note, of course. It's fast, convenient, and, let's be honest, way more fun than fumbling with cash. Alright, enough chit-chat. Let's get you squared away. First things first, you'll need the Venmo app. It's free to download and available for both iPhone and Android. Once you've got it installed, you'll need to create an account. This involves the usual drill: name, email, password, maybe linking a bank account or debit card. More on that later. Now you're in. But hold on, your Venmo vault is empty. To send money, you'll need to add funds. There are two ways to do this. Link your bank account. This is the most common method. Venmo will make a couple of tiny deposits into your account, and you'll enter the amounts to verify your ownership. Once that's done, you can transfer money directly from your bank account to your Venmo balance. Easy peasy. Add funds from a debit card. If you're not comfortable linking your bank account, you can use a debit card to top up your Venmo balance. There might be a small fee associated with this, so keep that in mind. Now that your Venmo account is bursting at the seams, well, virtually, let's get down to brass tacks: sending money. Open the Venmo app and look for the big, beautiful Pay/Request button. This is your gateway to financial glory, or at least settling that dinner bill. Tapping it brings you to the glorious world of money transfer. Here's where the magic happens. Find your friend. Venmo offers a few ways to do this. You can search by username, the coolest way, obviously, phone number, or even email address. If your friend isn't already on Venmo, you can invite them to join the fun. Enter the amount you want to send. This one's pretty self-explanatory. Just tap in the number and watch your friend's Venmo balance inflate, virtually, of course. Don't forget the memo. This is your chance to add a little pizzazz. Was it for dinner? Rent? Repaying that time you borrowed their lucky socks? A well-crafted memo can turn a simple transaction into a hilarious anecdote. Once you've got all the details filled in, hit that glorious pay button. And voila! The money is on its way to your friend's Venmo account. They'll get a notification, do a little happy dance, hopefully, and you've successfully navigated the wonderful world of Venmo transactions. Bonus tip: sharing your Venmo username is a great way for people to pay you back easily. You can find it on your profile page. It's that catchy string of letters and numbers that makes you sound like a financial rock star. Just be sure to only share it with people you trust. Venmo transactions, a few final words. Venmo is fantastic for small, personal transactions between friends and family. However, it's not ideal for everything. Sending money for business transactions or online purchases might be better suited for other platforms. Also, remember that Venmo transactions, especially with instant transfers, can't be reversed, so choose your recipients wisely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those Venmo transactions flowing smoothly.